I think it's the middle white, if I remember right. Real smushed and face and big
Looks
ears.
like Bridget on
Yeah.
Look at Elf.
Yep, exactly.
Look out, Brian.
That stage too.
They're all down there in the pond today.
That's the retarded
They'll be up
pig.
about supper time. Or if I wake them up with the tractor.
That's just amazing. Oh, look at that spider right there, boy. You guys got widows up here? Cause that looks like a brown widow.
Had Brian come in the bathtub and grab a granddaddy's on the way.
Richard.
Like, had a heart attack. Because it got
Does look like little Richard, though.
It didn't look
Hey,
like
Richard!
This thing had a big
Look out, bro.
circle body.
Hey,
and
little
it was real
Richard.
thick.
I had to go on the web to prove it wasn't granddaddy.
I never seen one like that before. Never.
Look out, Brian.
Yeah, that's what it said on the internet.
Look
You
at
know,
Brian.
what
What's
was,
wrong?
Herman?
What's the matter? You scared?
Oh, look, he's got a mud dauber on the ground. He's trying to kill it.
at your
See the mud dauber?
What, Brian?
Wasp?
What is it?
He's trying to get
Brian is gonna go.
He's gonna
What
get it.
kind is it?
Cow.
It's a pig?
A pig.
Say Elvis.
Owl.
There you go. He's got it for you.
Elvis. Brian.
Daisy.
Brian.
Honey, don't this dog look like a
Brian.
coyote?
Say
And
Elvis.
they had stung Lacey's
Elvis.
bad on the inside of the mouth. She'll pick 'em up,
Elvis.
stand there and hold it.
Silly.
Daisy, don't she picks them
What?
up, swallows them whole, just like that. I mean, they're
Don't
gone.
this dog look like a...
You hear any more about that kid throwing over that wagon?
Mia.
What
did-
happened?
All right.
What's he doing?
Must be.
What happened?
Bill and hand
wrong,
run over.
baby?
The kid was helping us bail.
Ran over him?
Yeah, he loaded from the
Cut it.
trap between the tractor
Brian,
and the
get
wagon, and he couldn't hardly get the bale up there, and he's doing this when he did the tire hit his foot and caught him. Went right up his leg.
When we started out, I had these two teenage boys
big
I'd hired.
dummy.
And I told them, I said two things. I said, just pick the hay bale up and throw it and never get between the tractor and the wagon. Because you're just rolling along.
Yeah.
And he come up there and he stood right between the tractor.
They're walking beside the tractor and throwing him up on there,
instead
right?
of what he did is he walked between the hay
He
wagon and the
stepped
tractor.
in front of
Because
the
the tongue's about 8 feet long.
Yeah.
All right, and he couldn't get it up, so he went back on one foot. He kicked it up with his leg like that. When he did, his leg went out from under him.
So you got out in the other field?
I got it sitting there with 3 hay bales on it. I was going to put 6 on her, but I was afraid to collapse.
I thought you said they were square, Dad.
Well, we bailed in.
Oh.
Barn full.
Oh, okay.
The hay loft's full of stuff.
Those
Brian.
things are like 1,000 pounds, aren't they?
Here, right here.
Those
Yeah,
roll.
they're
Brian.
between 800 and 1,000 because I put 14 of them on that damn
That's
tractor.
what we
the other day.
bailed right there, dude.
Look